Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in today's video, I want to introduce you to the loop page template gallery. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So look, here I am in the loop workspace, and I have a few pages already, and I want to create a brand new one. All right, so I'm going to create a brand new page. Now, obviously, I can start from scratch and, add my own titles and text and, loop components and, covers and all that stuff. But I also have an option to choose an existing loop template. So Microsoft maintains a directory of several templates that you can use, and reuse based on, different use cases, business scenarios. So to do that, you will see at the bottom of the screen. I mean, obviously we can create, kind of one with Copilot, but, let's just pick on one of the existing templates. And what you're going to see the template gallery. And on the left-hand side, these are just the different use cases, and business scenarios. So for example, if you have you need a template for meeting notes, or you're doing some project planning, or maybe you're doing Scrum, stand-up meeting, right? So essentially, you have all these different types of templates to choose from. And essentially what they are, I mean, look, when you're creating a brand new loop, page, you might spend some time on making it pretty and, creating different sections in here, headings, adding loop components. This is pretty much an existing template you can use. You can obviously customize it further, but yeah, let's take advantage of this one. So for example, we need to track some issues on a project. Here we go. There's a template for that. It already contains everything for me. Of course, I can customize it further, but let's take advantage of this. So I'm going to use this template, and essentially, yeah, it becomes your page, and you can, of course, add additional stuff that you need, or maybe, remove stuff you don't need. All right. So essentially, it gives you kind of a starting point that you can pick from, right? Instead of, kind of building everything from, scratch, from the blank page, So that's all there is really to it. Not really, not complicated at all. I think I expect that this, template gallery will grow in size, and Microsoft will be adding additional templates for you to choose from. One other thing we can do, and I will record this a separate video on that, but you can actually create your own templates as well. So if you want to standardize on your page, loop page, look and feel and templates, you can actually do that as well. But I will leave it for another video. For this one, I just wanted to introduce you to the concept of the loop pages template galleries, and how you can see for yourself how easy it is to use. All right, so hopefully you learned something new in this video. As always, happy to see you on my blog sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Goodbye.